Well, here we are about half an hour later. Dallas 2018, Friday 2nd. I can't say this right. It's the 2nd of February, Friday 2018. There we go. Alright, got both phones out here. Alright. This is my for sale video. All of these are for sale, okay? All of them. I'm just going to point them out real quick. This takes 10D batteries. I made a video about it. I made a video about that too. It takes 10D batteries. Still for sale. These on the table here all take 8D batteries, okay? So the 5250, the 656, the 5280, the Sharp 575, the Panasonic RXC 41 auto reverse, the Sears, we don't know the number, it's some long number, the JBC, I can't remember which one that is, and the Toshiba 8900, okay, and then we have the what is that, the Sharp GF 8585. Then here we've got the, what is that? It's a General Electric 5-band equalizer, AM/FM, 3-piece boombox. Made a video about that on my Decent Mannered For You account a long time ago. Here's a couple of 770s by JBC. Both work. Made a video about both of them a while back. Here's a 4975. Yeah, 4975 and one in the box. I made the one about the video in the box, and anyway. Here's a 5025. Here's a 5235. I have two of them. Both work. This one has a tuner issue. This one, the tuner does work. What I mean by that is that you can tune it. This one you cannot. It won't do anything. But the tape decks both work on both. Then we have a Panasonic, what is this? C38 with Chelco. Okay. I have a Magnavox, a Quasar, a Sanyo, a Gold Star, and another Panasonic, which I made a video about. Alright, so I'm about to run out of memory in this camera, so all these are for sale, okay? Just inquire, and I'll ship them out to you real quick. So these all take 8D batteries, so does that one over there. This one takes 10D batteries, so does that. And so does this Sharp here, it takes 10D batteries. Everything on this table takes 8D batteries, except for that one. That takes 6. All the rest here on the floor, the ground, take 6D batteries. Okay? Alright, so 3 minutes gone, minute left. Everything's for sale that you see here. Okay? That's all I know, just everything's for sale, alright? All that. Not the cell phone, not the camera. Those are not for sale. You want to pay $1,000 for a Canon EOS 70D? Sure, but I'm not selling it. Thanks, good, yes, here, yeah. It's a Canon EOS 70D. Good day, bye-bye, hope you enjoyed. Gotta go.